See? Nature provides. Hmm? Yeah. This is from the UK. See? Just went for a big giant walk all around town, and then at dusk I went for another walk. Went and got a sixer and a pack of smokes for my friend, my good friend Ernie, and he gave me the change, right? $12 change. I had $1.50, $1.40, and see, got got some weed. Already have a bit of tobacco. Just like got weed and a cider. And most of all, I got a lot of oxygen, a lot of good like opens up your lungs to go for like a good hour walk. Usually you're out for I was out for like 40 minutes, and then I went for a 20 minute, and then I went for another 20 minute, 25. Feel good. I just wanted to say that. I'm really happy, really happy with my new friends. Yeah, they're like the coolest, the coolest, the coolest, coolest, coolest. And I saw Christian the other day, and he really is like the coolest. He's like deep, deep ocean, deep, deep, deep ocean, cool, super being. It's his knowledge.